Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat ng aking collection. Tong collection with inch booty. Ibig sabihin, doon sa booty natin ay inches lang po yung nakatakip sa ating booty. So, without further ado, let's begin. So, this is my one collection inch booty. Ito yung aking see-through. At saka yung body niya napakaliit. So, yan po siya. Yan. Yan ang kanyang style. The first one, the black one. Yan. Liit yung body niya. So, number 2. Oh, wow. This is violet color. And so nice style. Look at this. A flower with lavender or violet. Then, yung ating back view, this is inch booty. So, ganito lang kaliit yung kanyang booty sa likod. Yung magtatagpo sa ating booty, ating lubot. Bisaya. So, yan po. This is the second one. All collection of my 1 inch booty tung panty. So, this one, the other one is a red. Oh, red color. Yan po yung pinaka front side. Yung back side niya, ayan, ganun din. Ganun lang din kaliit yung kanyang sa body. So, number 3 na yan. The other one, wow, this is a red panty. And this is a front view. Look at this, so beautiful, nice style. And the back view, ganun din, inch body. So, number 4 yan. Number 5. Oh, this is it. Lace siya. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka front view. Ganda ng style, di ba? Pati yung dito, oh. Sa gilid niya, ganda. Pero yung kanyang booty, again, inch booty tong panty. Number 5 yan. O, number 6. Oh. Lace din siya na string. Yan ang front side niya, yung front view. And this is a back view. Ganon din. Inch booty tong panty. So, this is number 6. Number 7. A string tong panty. And this is a front view. Ang ganda ng style niya. And this is a back view. Ganon din. Ito lang po yung mag-uugnay sa ating body. Inch body din yan. Tong panty. Number 8. Oh, look at this. Para siyang lumot green. Napakaganda ng kanyang style. Look at that. And this is a front view. Very sexy. And this is a back view. Ganon din. Ganito lang din kalaki ang magiging pantakip sa yung body. So, number 8 yan. Number 9. This is a lace inch booty tong panty. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is a front view. This is a large size, I think. Yeah. And look at that booty. Oh, kita nyo? This is inch booty tong panty. Ang ganda, no? Beautiful and sexy. Also, this is number 10. Look at this. This is medium size lace. Sexy lace see-through booty panty. Ang tong panty na rin. And this is a back view. Ganon din. Inch tong panty. Look at that. Ganda, no? Very sexy. Very beautiful. And napaka-nice na style. And this is number 11. A lavender. Look at this. Lace yung gilid niya. Cotton naman yung dito niya. Yan, lace. And this is a front view. And this is a back view. Ganon din. Kaya lang ang material niya, cotton. Pero yung kanyang body, inch booty tong panty. Booty. Number 12. Look at this. Cotton din yung ano niya, black. String yung ano niya, side. And this is a front view. Very sexy din ito. And look at this back view. Wow. Look at that. So sexy. Kapag sinuot mo to, ang sexy. Tingnan mo. Ganun din siya. And this is a back view. Ito yung pinaka-tong natin sa likod. Inch body lang din siya. And this is number 13 at 12. This is from Victoria's Spring. Look at this. Ang ganda rin. Sexy din. Ayan. Tapos yung likod niya, ayan. This is in stong body panty. Oh, this is stong panty. Number 13. Oh no, this is a gray color. Very nice and sexy. And this is a front view. Look at that. And this is a back view. Ganon din. Look at this. Yun lang din ang mag-uugnay sa ating body. This is number 15. This is number 15. Look at this. This is a front view. And this is a back view. Oh, look at that. Ganon din siya. Medyo inches lang din ang kanyang body. Sukat ng kanyang body. And this is number 15. Number 16. Black color again. Look at this. Ito po, para siyang spandex. Tingnan natin yung pinakaano niya. So, polyester and 92 polyester and elastane. Sa front side niya ay cotton, polyester. Tapos dito naman sa side may mga perlas siya. Ayan. So, sa dugtungan ng kanyang meron siyang metal na ring metal. Tapos, this is a front view and this is a back view. Look at that. Oh, ayan lang din ang mag-ano sa ating mag-uugnay sa ating body. So, this is number 16. And this is number 17, the last one. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wow, nice. This is nice color. Look at that. And this is a back view. Ganda. Beautiful. So, this is all my collection. 17 collection of sexy tong panty with a 1-inch booty. So, that is for today for our collection. 17 collection of tong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.